Freshdesk Omnichannel app. The pros, the cons. Freshdesk Omnichannel app is more than just a ticketing system. Most people get this wrong. It's built to manage customer interactions across email, chat, phone, social media, and messaging apps, all in one unified platform. On the pros side, Freshdesk offers automated ticket routing, AI-powered response suggestions, and real-time collaboration tools for teams. Its intuitive interface and mobile app make managing customer queries simple and efficient. Analytics dashboards provide insights into response times, ticket volumes, and customer satisfaction. Integrations with Chrome, e-commerce, and productivity tools streamline workflows and ensure support agents have all necessary context. On the cons side, some users report that advanced features require higher-tier plans, which can increase costs. The system may feel complex for small teams, and mobile notifications can sometimes lag. In conclusion, Freshdesk Omnichannel app is ideal for businesses that want a centralized, efficient, and scalable way to handle customer support. While cost and complexity should be considered, its multi-channel capabilities, automation, and analytics make it a strong solution for improving team productivity and customer satisfaction.